Hey guys, it's Eric's Garage AZ coming at you with another episode of What's in Your Garage. This time, instead of just showing the video, I decided to dive a little bit into the history of this particular car. Now, this car is a 1930 Ford Model A sedan. I come to find out that the particular Model A sedan was produced by Ford Motor Company from October 20th, 1927 until March of 1932. And in total, with all the models that they sold, they have a variety of different body styles, including convertibles and whatnot. There were 4,858,644 total units. So that means you may see a Model A sedan out there that looks different than the Model A sedan that I shot a video of. Or you may see a Model A truck, you may see a Model A convertible, you may see a Model A coupe, like those 3-window coupes and whatnot. You may see all sorts of different varieties of the Model A because there were so many different models produced, and as you indicated, or I indicated to you, there are a buttload of them made. So hopefully you enjoy this video, hopefully you enjoy that little bit of history lesson. In the meantime, folks, like, subscribe, share, drop it like you stole it, bitches. Well, hey everybody, this is Eric with Eric's Garage coming at you for another episode of What's in Your Garage. This time I am in Glendale, Arizona, getting ready to shoot a video of my buddy Dan's 1930 Ford sedan that is dressed up like a hot rod that you've never seen. Although you may have seen it because it was at the Hot Wheels event that I shot a video of when it was running there at the event. The car is off the chart cool, so I'm hoping he's here right now. Let's double check. Dan, you around? Dan? Well, I got the right time, got the right address. All right, let's give him a minute. I like it when a plan comes together. Dan, how are you, man?
How you doing?
Good, good, good. It's good seeing you, bud.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, man. This car right here, that's the car, right?
That's my baby.
That's your baby, all right. Well, why don't we do this? Why don't we go ahead and, if we can we start it and give us people a chance to hear a cold start video on a hot rod like this?
Absolutely.
Sounds cool, man. All right. Stay tuned. That was amazing. I know you guys like that stuff too. All right, stay tuned. Well, hey everybody, this is Eric with Eric's Garage AZ, and my buddy Dan here has got this really sick, cool, custom 1930 Ford sedan. But if you look at it, Dan, this isn't your typical Ford sedan, so obviously a whole lot of stuff has been done. First of all, doesn't the sedan have 4 doors?
No, this one only has 2.
Oh, okay, all right. So tell me about this car. I mean, this is like off the chart cool.
Yeah, I really love this car.
I bet you do.
Yeah, we chopped and channeled it, got it as low as I can possibly get it.
Okay.
Yeah.
How low does it sit off the ground?
Probably about 6 inches.
No kidding.
Yeah.
So you don't really take it over speed bumps very effectively, right?
Yeah, I have to watch where I'm going. Yeah.
That's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Now, how long did you have this car? How long have you had it?
I've been working on it for 4 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
So did you buy it in this condition?
No,
okay.
No. I bought a rat rod.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I changed it from a rat rod to a street rod.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Well, this is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. And the paint, I don't know if you see this, folks, on the camera here, but it's a pearl coat, right? It's pearl?
Yeah, it's PPG Cadillac color.
Okay.
Pearl. Yeah, it's out of the Cadillac line.
That's pretty cool. So that's what they made their CTSs.
Yes,
okay.
Exactly.
Okay,
yeah.
Very cool. All right, it's absolutely gorgeous here. Now, I saw the interior was done pretty cool, like a burgundy.
Yeah.
What a lot of people go with like the same color exterior and whatnot. What made you go with a color like that?
Actually, the engine used to be that color.
Did it really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So I tried to match the engine.
No kidding.
But then I blew the engine up and went with a black engine, so it kind of changed. But
well, you have black carpet there.
Yeah.
That's pretty crazy. Wow.
Yeah.
Right on. I like that. Now, we were laughing earlier. You said that Uber thing there. Obviously, this isn't an Uber ride, but it's got to be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
You said that 50 cents you overspent.
Yeah, everybody loves the Uber sign.
Oh, sure they do. Oh my God, it's crazy cool. If you look at the size of these tires here, those are that's almost a city block wide, isn't it?
They were one-offs, made by them. They custom made them for this car originally.
Mickey Thompson did?
Yes.
No kidding.
4 years ago, those were one-offs. Yeah, the rims got specially made and everything.
Really?
Yeah.
So now, who's a rim maker?
The rim maker was bought by Mickey Thompson. They hooked it up and everything.
Okay, I'm talking about the tires.
Yeah.
Right? And these things are huge.
Yeah.
And you said off camera they're one-offs for you?
Yeah, Mickey Thompson did them one-off for me.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's got to be crazy cool, man.
Yeah.
And you said the rims also were one-off rims?
Yes. Yeah.
Man, sweet. How wide are these tires?
18 inches.
18 inches wide.
Yeah.
Of course, with the size of engine you have there, that's a big engine. How many cubic inches is that engine?
Well, that's a 454.
Okay.
And it's built 30 over, punched 34 over. Haven't put it on the dyno yet, so I don't know what we're doing for horsepower. I'm thinking right around 800. Yeah.
That's some serious. I mean, you look at the size of these. Spark plug lines, the wires. Those aren't your normal 4-cylinder spark plug wires, are they?
No.
That's carrying some serious amperage through that.
Yeah. It was running a little hot, so I had this manufactured for it, where I lift the blower up off of the motor.
Right here?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That allows for a little bit better airflow, but also keeps the engine cooler.
Yeah.
Excellent. Now, this blower is a 1471.
It's a 671.
671. It's Edelbrock?
Edelbrock, yes.
Okay. Wow, this is cool, man. Look at this. And this is carbureted, right?
Yeah.
So that's your fuel pressure right there. What kind of carburetors do you have?
They're Edelbrocks.
Edelbrock carburetors? Yeah. So it basically is a full Edelbrock setup.
Yeah.
Very good. So heads?
Heads Edelbrocks, yeah.
All right, nice.
Brand new aluminum Edelbrocks.
Okay, super. Now, did you make the headers these yourself?
Yeah.
You actually made them yourself?
Yeah.
Now, you mentioned to me earlier that you actually did all the work in this car yourself.
Yeah, most of it.
That's pretty cool, man.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, you really kind of know what you're doing, don't you?
Well, for some of it, yeah.
That's pretty neat, man.
I have a mechanic friend that helps me when I get stuck.
I got you. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
And wow. Now, where did you come up with the idea for this color and the look on this car? Because it's definitely an aggressive look. And I mean,
this goes back to Hot Wheels.
Right? Okay. Cool. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. We love our Hot Wheels, don't we? Yeah, because that's where I met you at, right?
Yeah.
It was a Hot Wheels show here this last August?
Yes.
It was September 7th.
September, yeah.
And it was 197,000 degrees out there. Yeah, it was brutal that day, man.
Yeah.
So this goes back to Hot Wheels look.
Yeah.
Now, are these headlamps here, are they Ford?
Yes.
They are Ford. Look at that. Wow. So basically, aside from the engine, this is all Ford?
Yeah.
Anything special done on the front end as far as suspension or whatnot is concerned?
We redid the geometry on it. It's not done like a normal one.
Okay.
But really nothing super special with it.
So when you say you toughen it up a little bit, you put like heavier duty or larger components on here?
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay. Right.
Yeah.
So how does it handle when you're riding?
It's like a slot car.
Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
A lot of horsepower in a slot car.
Oh yeah. They're all torque.
Yeah.
Oh, but this thing is too, isn't it?
Yeah.
Are we gonna be able to go for a ride?
Sure.
He said sure. Like, hold on, let's go for a ride. All right, folks, so we're gonna go for a ride in this crazy freaking 1930 Ford hot rod based upon Hot Wheels. Stay tuned. Well, unfortunately, we're not gonna go for a ride because when we started it up, we identified an oil leak that Dan previously thought was fixed. And because this is such a crazy cool car, we do not want to cause any problems with it. So unfortunately, we're not gonna get for a ride in it. However, there's always next time. All right, folks, thanks a whole bunch. Appreciate it. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Remember, drive it like you stole it, bitches. See ya.
Hi, this is Dan. Eric Garage AZ. Drive it like you stole it, bitches.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more right here on Eric's Garage AZ.